Hi, my name is Nova Keller. We are going to talk today about something that is very important, especially to Pakistan. We are going to be talking about what is the leading cause of death among Pakistan children. And you might think, oh, it's war, it is starvation. It might surprise you that it is diseases, and the actual disease is pneumonia, is the number one killer of these children. The under 5 mortality rate is 74.9 per 1,000 live births. That is not a great number. Just to give you an idea, in the US, in 2013, it was 6 per 1,000 live births. So that might give you an idea of what it is in the US compared to Pakistan. And Pakistan is among the 4 countries across the world where more than half of under 5 deaths are caused by pneumonia or diarrhea. So there's just the 4 countries across the world where more than half of under 5 deaths, and I know this is confusing with all the different numbers, so that's the deaths of those that are under 5 years old, are caused by pneumonia or diarrhea. So how can this be prevented? So pneumonia is a preventable disease. You can get a vaccination for it. It comes in the Hib, measles, or pertussis vaccination. That is a pretty low-cost vaccination. The problem is that about 50% of these poor countries are not receiving vaccinations. The pneumococcal vaccination is a much better vaccination to help pneumonia. The problem with this is it is a pretty expensive vaccination. It runs at about $150 per vaccination, and so that's a little bit harder to get out to these poor countries. I know that UNICEF, you can donate to UNICEF and specify that you would like it to go to this certain vaccination to help to stop pneumonia from killing people. Protection can also come from breastfeeding, especially right from birth, and breastfeeding exclusively up to at least 6 months of age, good nutrition, and hand washing. Just having those clean hands, good, healthy, clean food, all of those things can help your body fight away the bacteria and can stop the germs that can cause the diarrhea. That is also a leading killer as well. And the biggest change that can be made is awareness. People might not know that there is a vaccination. They might not know the symptoms for pneumonia. If their child is coughing and has a fever and has trouble breathing, if they knew these symptoms, they might know to bring them into a doctor quickly so that they could get antibiotics. That is a simple thing that could really save lives. Here are my sources. And even though this is a problem that is really hurting these people, if we just take a closer look at it and dissect the problem, it really has some simple solutions. Things like washing hands and educating the public about breastfeeding and about vaccinations are not that difficult of a thing to do. It's just getting those resources out there